Good morning, Steve Reed with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are a little bit higher, led by soybean oil and Minneapolis wheat. Market's still trying to figure out what the USDA is going to say next Wednesday as far as acres and stocks numbers. Yesterday we saw a little bit of bounce in prices once one group came out and had acres only up 1 million for corn and down 900,000 for soybeans. There was also rumors that the company that has the biggest acreage numbers, around 96 on the corn, was actually going to drop to 94. So the average GRES that came out from a Bloomberg survey for corn acres is 93.8 versus USDA's 91.1, 89.1 bean acres versus 87.6, and 46 million all wheat acres versus 46.4. We also noted that from a weather standpoint, had rains in Nebraska, Iowa, southern Iowa yesterday. The rains are moving into Missouri and Illinois today. The 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day maps show similar rain events over that time frame. Draw a line from Omaha to Madison, Wisconsin. Everything pretty much north and west of that will be warm and dry. Everything south and east of that will see normal weather conditions. It's interesting when you look at Informa's acre yield by state. They've got Ohio 186, Iowa 188, Illinois 202, Minnesota 190, Iowa 199, South Dakota 157, and Nebraska 190. Now, it's kind of extreme, but if we look at 1988, the Minnesota yield was 74, Iowa 84, and South Dakota 55. In the beans, Arkansas, they have a 50 yield, Ohio 52, Indiana 58, Illinois 61, Minnesota 51, Iowa 56, North Dakota 35, and Nebraska 58. In 1988, Minnesota was 26, Iowa 31, North Dakota 18, and Nebraska was 30. We also note that for stocks, as of June 1st, average guess for wheat is 861 versus 1028 last year. Corn 4130 versus 5003, and bean 773 versus 1381. So I think anything in the corn below 93.8 would be positive. Same thing in the beans. Anything below 89 could be positive to the marketplace. The participation market continues to be only the algorithm machines that are trading headlines. The headlines right now is rain and a bearish USDA report. The managed funds continue to liquidate long positions, especially in the meal and even to some extent the corn. The bean is down to about a 230,000 contract long. Options expired today, and we'll see how much of that position, especially in corn open interest, declines because of options expiration. Other than that, we're just kind of looking to see if the markets next week can make some kind of bottom going into a summer weather pattern that will be drier than normal for parts of the Midwest, maybe as much as 10% of the corn acres and 15% of the bean acres. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.